Hey guys, it's Ryan again. I've been sent some cool stuff from Dart Tools. So I'm going to give these a test in the next couple of weeks. Got a massive shop front to fit and I'm going to be using a lot of Dart Tools. And basically it's a little bit more of a competitive range than the FAMAG that I normally have. I mean, everyone knows I do FAMAG. That is the high end for joinery and carpentry. But the Dart Tools is for the guys that do a lot of site carpentry. Let's be honest, consumable products. I mean, I've got 25mm flat bits. I've got enough to last me, I would say, a good 2 years worth of doing carpentry and joinery. So I'm going to give these a test to see what they're like for a consumable throwaway flat bit, basically. I mean, you can't get no more cheaper than that. They've also sent me some SDS 7mm. They sent me some of their PH2 sort of like 50mm extension impact bits, impacts, more drills and more SDSs, which I use all the time as a fitter, and then more and more impacts. So let's see what these like. I used to use Milwaukee, I used to use DeWalt impact bits, but they're like chocolate now. So let's give Dart a go and see how well these are, guys, and then we can just go from there. Remember, there's other stuff on my website, all my FAMAG stuff's on my website, but this, just go to Dart. It's much cheaper and easier for you, and then I haven't got to buy it in, so I keep my costs down. Anyway, check the other videos, have a great Friday, and remember, the slower you go, the faster you go.